Okay, so this will be a brief work in progress status update. I can't really show off any of the refactoring or edge case bug fixing or platform ports or anything like that, so I won't. But generally things are much less resource intensive and faster in various ways. So if you've been using this, give it a try now and you'll see some improvements there. As for what's visible, let's go ahead and check out the mount. And specifically, we're going to check out IPNS. So if I list out here, and I can do IPFS key list for the actual the IPFS API, you'll see that that's the same. And I'll go ahead and cat whatever this key is pointing to, which is this set of text data here. But also in this root, I can now start creating keys, which is pretty interesting. So these can be files or directories or symlinks. We'll go ahead and create a file key, and we'll make a dir key. List these out. Catting this is not going to be very interesting. Likewise with the directory key, also not interesting. But we can go in here to the directory and start making sub-entries for this. So if I do touch file 1, 2, 3, list these out, you'll see that they're actually directories because this is a work in progress and things are not complete yet. But what's interesting to note is that this is published. So if we list the keys out and get this directory key, we can do IPFS, and I'm going to do offline just so that it resolves instantly, the key, and then pass this to IPFS ls. What did I do wrong? Whoops. It would help if we actually called the command. But you'll see that that reflects this. So in theory, if someone else on a separate computer or with a separate node did the same thing but was not offline, they would get the updated contents that we just created through the file system API via the mount. So that's kind of cool. Obviously not perfect yet, not finished. So that's the current state of things, and I hope to finish up the IPNS subroot here with, or finish up the writable calls for the IPNS subroot. And yeah, that's the current state of things.